It's one thing.
Hey, Mauro.
Kevin.
How you doing?
Very good.
Marlo, Caffrey, how you guys doing?
Good.
What is going on here?
Well, I know Caffrey wants to have something really special in his room. So the interior designer, Rachel, came by, helped me out to tape up all different shapes, different patterns, and then we're gonna work with the 4 different colors on this whole wall together.
So just an accent wall, just this one?
Just this one. And the base coat is an off-white that goes throughout the whole
Gotcha.
room. Ceiling, walls, doors, different finish, but the same color.
Okay. So Caffrey, you're jazzing up the room a little bit, huh? Mm-hmm. So what do you think of the pattern here? A lot going on.
I like it.
Well, good, because it's your room. And how about the colors? Did you get to pick them?
Yeah.
What'd you pick?
Orange, blue, light gray, and dark gray.
Very nice. And you got your sister to help. Very smart.
Big help. Big
So
help.
what's the plan, Mauro? How do you pull this off?
Well, each one is gonna have a color. I will do the blue, Caffrey will do the orange, and then Marlo will do the grays.
Beautiful.
So you guys ready to have some fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, have fun. Good luck.
Thank you. Let's do, guys. All right, guys. Here's your LG.
Thank you.
And here's your orange. All right, what I like you guys to do, it's gonna be fun, it's nice and easy. You're gonna do 2 coats. Start it right here at this edge, all right? And come all the way across on a big stroke as much as you can. If you need more paint, dip it in, get more paint on your brush. And go back and forth, same thing here, same thing here. Don't go over the lines because it's a different color right there, okay? And then before you paint, remove this little tape here, which is the reference for your color, and go to work. All right, you guys ready to have some fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Perfect, look at that. Remember, we can always go back and fill in the areas that you missed. When you see like a sharp corner like this, you can also go like this, look. Hey, Caffrey, that looks really nice over there. You looking for a job?
Yeah.
First coat is done. Let's wait for that to dry, and we'll come back and we put the second and final coat on. Second coat is completely dry. It's time for us to hold the tape off. Just give it a little bit of an angle, like a 45 degrees. All right, just like that. You don't need to rush or anything, just go nice and easy.
I really like it.
You really like it?
Yeah. This.
Yeah, like this, beautiful, perfect. Whoa, that looks good. All right, let's take a look at from here, guys. Well, what do you guys think?
That looks really good. I really like it.
Well, this is your room now, and you guys helped me. That was perfect. But one thing though, I have a lot of work on this house. Are you guys able to help me out?
Yes.
Let's get it done, guys.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.